Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oh Carbs Delicious. Today I'll be showing you how I make peanut butter garlic noodles. This is a staple in our household because it's so delicious. It only requires a few basic ingredients and you can whip it up in no time. In fact, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need to make this dish. As we are serving this dish for dinner tonight, I like to add in a bit of veggies. Cucumber and carrots are usually my go-to because I think they pair so well with this dish. There's almost no cooking involved. The only reason you need to turn on your fire for is to cook your pasta or noodles. So I usually start with cutting my veggies in thin strips. This is the only thing that takes up a bit of time because I'm not very good at julienning my veggies. If you have a tool or machine that can do this for you, go ahead and use it. It'll make the prep even faster and easier than this recipe already is. Mince a few cloves of garlic. We like it very garlicky, so we tend to use at least half a bulb of garlic. Feel free to adjust to your own preference. Meanwhile, bring a big pot of water to a boil to cook your pasta or noodles in. I'm using regular spaghetti today, and I just googled this, and apparently the recommended amount of pasta per person is 56 grams or 2 ounces for a single serving. So don't judge, but we are big eaters here apparently. I usually take about 120 grams or 4.2 ounces per person. When the water is boiling rapidly, cook your choice of noodles or pasta al dente. Don't forget to add salt to the boiling water before adding in your pasta or noodles. Once the pasta is almost al dente, reserve about a cup of that starchy water before you drain the pasta. We're gonna need this starchy water to make the sauce smoother. Drain the pasta or noodles, and if you'd like to eat this dish cold, like we do, then rinse your pasta or noodles with cold running water. This will also prevent the pasta from overcooking. Onto the sauce. Add in the minced garlic in a bowl, half a cup or 8 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use the creamy variant or the crunchy variant. They're both delicious in their own way. We use them both depending on what we have on hand. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. White sugar is also fine if you don't have brown sugar on hand. Mix everything until well combined and add in a bit of that starchy water from the pasta to reach the right consistency. Adjust the sauce to taste. If you like it a bit creamier and nuttier, go ahead and add some extra peanut butter. Or if you like it a bit more garlicky, then add some extra garlic. I recommend not dumping everything together in a pot, but take the amount of sauce and veggies for each serving separately. This way, each person can adjust their portion to their own preference. This will also ensure your veggies remain crunchy. And there you have it, peanut butter garlic noodles. Super easy and fast and even vegan friendly. Gonna enjoy my dinner now. See you next time! Alright guys, I hope I made this video nice and easy to follow. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more. Let me know in the comments down below how you like this recipe and feel free to share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!